promising. Like if you don't know how to make slime, this is perfect for you because it's just it. I use blue hand soap for this, but we're going to be over there using green hand soap, but I am going to dye in blue.
Okay, basically you just mix hands. Dummy. You need a basket.
And you want to put some salt in there. Food coloring is optional, but I am using food coloring. So I am using food coloring though, so we can like quick up the process. So I put a few drops in there, not too much, not too little. But anyways, so if you mix doing what it's going to turn out to be. So I didn't, I also put some glitter in this, silver glitter in this. And so this made it kind of weird, and the usual thing I usually didn't work out so much, so I put like a few drops of glue in it, and this is what it turned out to be. So if you want to try this recipe, it's great, but you might have to use at least a little bit of glue, not that much. And so I am going to see you next time in my next video, which